my channel Super Cool Couponer. Today I will show you my CVS couponing haul on January 10 to January 16, 2021. Today I use all the digital and printable deal. And friends, this is an amazing and money maker deal. So let's begin the deal. So the first deal is Colgate toothpaste deal. Buy 2 Colgate and get back $4 ECB. They have limit 2 per household. It's also sell $2.99 each. Buy 4 Colgate Max Fresh, it's $11.96. I use one $3 of $12 Colgate toothpaste toothbrush CVS CRT. Pay only just $8.96 and get back $8 ECB. The final cost is only just 24 cents each. The next deal is Neutrogena cosmetic deal. Spend $15 and get back $6 ECB, or spend $25 and get back $10 ECB. It's limit 1 per household. I buy 2 Neutrogena Hydro Boost Foundation. It's total $26.98. It's $17.99 each. It's also on promotion, buy one get one 50% off. I have 2 buy one get one free Neutrogena Hydro Boost CVS CRT. I just pay nothing out of pocket and get back $10 ECB. The final cost is free plus $10 money maker. The next deal is Maybelline cosmetic deal. Buy 2 Maybelline and get back $6 ECB. It's limit 1 per household. Buy 2 Maybelline single eyeshadow. It's $8.98. It's $4.49 each. I have $2 of Maybelline coupon. One is I use the printable and one I use the digital. Pay only just $4.98 and get back $6 ECB. The final cost is free plus $1 money maker. The next deal is Paparazzi nail care deal. Buy 2 Paparazzi and get back $4 ECB. It's limit 1 per household. I buy 2 Paparazzi nail care. It's 2 for $5. I use $1 of $5 Paparazzi nail care CVS CRT. Also, this one it's glitch $1 of Paparazzi facial wipe CVS CRT. I just pay only $3 and get back $4 ECB. This is also free plus $1 money maker. The next deal is Poises and Depend pair deal. Buy 1 Poises paid or Depend and get back $3 ECB. It's limit 1 per household. I buy 1 Poises paid, it's $5.99, and also I buy 1 Depend underwear, it's $5.99. The totals come out $11.98. I have one $4 of $12 paid liner underwear CVS CRT. Also, we have $3 of Poises digital coupon and one $3 of Depend printable coupon on coupon.com. I just pay $2 and get back $2 ECB. The final cost is free. The next deal is Revlon cosmetic deal. Spend $12 and get back $4 ECB. It's limit 1 per household. I buy 1 Revlon concealer. It's $10.79. Also, I buy 1 Revlon cream eyeshadow. It's $9.29. The totals come out $20.08. I have one $5 of $20 Revlon cosmetic CVS CRT. Also, I have one $4 of Revlon mystery coupon. It's printed last week. Also, I use one $4 of Revlon foundation digital coupon, and also I use one $3 of Revlon eye digital coupon. I just pay only $4.08 and get back $4 ECB. The final cost is only just 4 cents each. The next deal is Garnier Fructis shampoo and conditioner deal. Buy 2 Garnier and get back $4 ECB. It's limit 2 per household. Buy 2 Garnier Fructis shampoo, it's $7. It's on sale 2 for $7. Also use $1 of Garnier coupon. One I use the digital and one I use the printable coupon on coupon.com. Also, we have a $1 of 2 Garnier instant coupon printed on this week. Pay only just $4 and get back $4 ECB. The final cost is free. The next deal it's Eucerin lotion deal. Spend $20 and get back $10 ECB. It's limit 1 per household. Buy 1 Eucerin skin calming cream. It's $9.99. Also, I buy 1 Eucerin daily hydration cream. It's $10.99. The totals come out $20.98. Use 1 $4 of $20 lotion CVS CRT. Use 2 $3.50 Eucerin printable coupon on eucerin.com. Pay only just $9.98 and get back $10 ECB. The final cost is both lotion is free. The next deal is Nivea lotion deal. Buy 2 Nivea lotion and get back $5 ECB. It's limit 1 per household. Buy 1 Nivea breathable lotion 13.5 OZ. It's $8.79. Also, I buy 1 Nivea lotion 8.4 OZ. It's $6.29. The totals come out $15.08. I have won $3.50 off any lotion CVS CRT. Also, we have won $3 off Nivea breathable printable coupon on coupon.com. Also, I use one $2 off Nivea digital coupon. Pay only just $6.58 and get back $5 ECB. The final cost is only just 79 cents each. The next deal is Garnier facial care deal. Buy 2 Garnier facial care and get back $5 ECB. It's limit 1 per household. Buy 2 Garnier skin active wipe. It's $11.68. In my store, it's $7.79 each. Use 1 $2 of Garnier micellar CVS CRT. Use 2 $2 of Garnier facial care coupon on coupon.com. I use 1 digital and 1 I use the printable. Pay only just $5.68 and get back $5 ECB. The final cost is only just 34 cents each. We have right now in CVS all the Christmas clearance. It's 75% off. And also I found this toy. Also they have the 75% off. This doll, it's $9.99 on the regular price, but it's only ring up $2.49 each. This headphone I found its originally price is $14.99, but it's $3.75. So friend, this is my this week CVS couponing haul. Hope this deal it's helpful to you. If do, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye. See you.